Whether you're a service-based business owner or a creator, I've got a couple of tips for you today. They're going to help you speed up your workflow drastically. I've been editing video for about 6 years, and I've come up with a couple of hacks that save me boatloads of time. I'm about to share those with you, so let's dig right in. So your first tip is to make sure that if you have more than one video source or audio source, that you start the recording at the same time on all sources. We want to create a stack with our video clips and our audio so that we can actually sync them all up. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about in 1 second. So this is what you need to do, okay? If you've got a camera and a phone, maybe you're using a screen recorder, hit that record button. Make sure that you have the microphone turned on all sources, because we're going to use the audio file to sync everything up. And it might sound complicated, but it's not, I promise. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So I'm going to grab this video clip here and drag it down to the timeline. And we're going to create a stack. So this is the main video. And I have a B-roll, which is, supplementary video content. I'm going to bring this down. This is from a second camera that I had set up for this shoot. Drag it down here. And you can see there's audio clips for both tracks. This is my professional audio I recorded separately. I'm going to bring that down. And then the last thing, I had a screen recorder on my phone. I'm going to bring that down here and make sure it doesn't overlap. Okay, so we'll just zoom out a little bit and let's have a closer look. So you can see we have similar audio files across the board here, and we want this one to be the final one. So I'm actually going to sync all these clips up so that I'm not moving them around left and right. I'm going to show you another tip in a moment that's going to help you save time with the cutting process. So here we go. I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to click on this clip, hold down the shift key and click on another one, right click, click synchronize. Audio track channel 1, that's fine, click OK. Premiere Pro automatically looks at the audio files for you and syncs them up, so it adjusts them automatically. You don't have to waste any time with that. Now I'm going to click this one and we're going to sync these two. All right, so obviously we don't need all these audio tracks. We're going to clear them out. I'll just hold down shift, click the ones I want to delete, right click, unlink them, click them once more, and press delete. So we're left with a single audio track. I'll just move it up. So now you can see they're not at the same length. So I'm going to hit the C button for the razor tool, hold down the shift button, which will cut all tracks simultaneously, highlight these guys, and we will ripple delete them out. So now, as long as you don't go moving them back and forth left and right, you're going to be able to actually edit this really fast. I can see that there's a gap here. So I'm just going to cut all the tracks and remove this section of the video. Now, all I need to do is, let's say, from this section here, if this is a spot where I'm going to be talking, I'll click this and I'm going to delete this portion of the video out because I'm talking there. So this is a really quick way to sync up your clips, edit them fast with the cuts, holding down the shift key. I've got one more for you, another quick one of my personal favorites, and that is the Soundstripe subscription. So they have an extension for Premiere Pro where all you have to do is click Window, Extensions, Soundstripe. If you don't have Soundstripe yet, I've got a 10% off coupon code in the description below. You can use code MattBigger when you check out to get 10% off your subscription. And check this out. This is so cool. So I'm going to go full screen. I can browse this music inside of Premiere Pro. And not only that, I can also, like, 2 clicks to put that into the timeline. And best of all, no hassle, no copyright issues whatsoever. All we need to do is find a good track, and I'm going to go over here, click on the license button, and I'll type in the name of the video here under project type. Even if you're making marketing videos, you can still use Soundstripe content, which makes it great. I'm going to use social media / YouTube content. Click on the wave button, and just like that, it automatically imports a high quality audio track, and you have no copyright issues whatsoever as long as you make sure you title it correctly and choose the right type of license. And there it is. Audio track is right there, and we can make our adjustments to it. We can turn it down, whatever we need to do. So those are 2 tips I've found to help me speed up my workflow. If you want to watch another video on how to set up some hotkeys using this exact same mouse, which is a gaming mouse, I don't do any gaming on my computer. This is specifically for video editing. If you want to see a video on how to use this mouse with hotkeys to speed up your video editing workflow, check out this video up here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.